smart thermostats not showing outdoor temperature, that can seriously mess with your home comfort and energy savings. So, first off, make sure your outdoor sensor is actually connected. Sometimes it just loses the link or gets unplugged, which is super common. Check the wires or batteries if it's wireless, because dead batteries are a classic culprit. If your thermostat has a screen, see if it shows any error or no signal message. Next, try rebooting your thermostat by turning it off and on again. It resets the system and can fix glitches. Also, position the outdoor sensor somewhere that isn't blocked or too close to heat sources, like vents or direct sunlight, since that can throw off readings. If you recently replaced the sensor or thermostat, double-check compatibility because some models only work with specific sensors. Use the app for your smart thermostat to see if it detects the sensor at all. If not, try repairing them following the manual steps. Lastly, if none of that works, contacting support for your thermostat brand can save you a lot of headache. One of the biggest problems with smart thermostats not detecting outdoor temperature is a faulty or disconnected sensor. To fix this by inspecting connections and swapping batteries. Another common issue is poor placement of the outdoor sensor. Make sure it is in a shaded, open spot to avoid false readings. The third problem is using incompatible sensors or devices. Always verify your thermostat's specs and only use recommended accessories to keep everything running smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com hooks up homeowners with trusted local pros who know their stuff, making home fixes way less stressful. Plus, it helps contractors find legit jobs so they keep busy doing what they do best.